Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to solve a question of logarithm. The question states that express ln80 in terms of ln2 and ln5. So as you know that ln80 means ln means your logarithm, so we have to express logarithmic 80 in terms of logarithm 2 and logarithm 5. So let's get started. So first we have to write ln80. Okay, so we have to express ln in terms of ln2 and ln5. So what we will do, we will express 80 in this form. Okay, because 16 into 5 will also be 80, so we will write it as 16 into 5. So as you know the rule of logarithm, when two numbers are in multiplication, so they will be added. So what we will do now, we will express 16 plus ln5, so we'll separate in addition. Now what we have to do, we have to express in ln2 and ln5. so we have got ln5 already. Now we have to express 16 as ln2. Express ln 16 as a 2 power 4. Okay, ln5 will remain same. So according to the power rule of logarithm, the power will become coefficient. So we write as 4 ln2 and ln5. So we have done it. I hope you have understood this question. If you like my video, please like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. Till then, goodbye, take care.